Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and send your payment in Venmo. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To send a Venmo payment, firstly open your application, log into your account, and once you've done that, tap the blue pay/request square icon with a V in the bottom center of your home screen. Once you've done that, find your recipient, use the search bar to type their name, Venmo handle, email, or phone number. If you're with them, tap the QR code icon and scan their QR code for quick access. You can also tap on top payments avatar for frequent contacts. Then you can simply go ahead and enter the details, select the correct person from the result, enter the dollar amount you want to send, and then add a description. For example, dinner last night, and so on. Then you can simply go ahead and check the payment source, so Venmo balance, bank, or card, and then tap the green pay button, then confirm by tapping pay again. You can adjust the privacy, public, friends, or private before sending. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.